The fifth reason for children to develop fear for math is we fail to understand how and where to apply the math concept in real-time situation. Every concept that we learn in math has a real-time application, but unfortunately we seldom know about it, where to apply and how to apply, because of which we have never been able to internalize the knowledge. Let me give you an example. Greatest common factor. We learn it in school. Where do we apply it in real-time situation? Let me explain. If I'm in a room which is 10 by 10 square feet in dimension and I have different tile size, which is 1 inch by 1 inch, 2 inch by 2 inch, 3 inch by 3 inch, so on. Which tile I should use so that there is minimum wastage? Greatest common factor comes into play. Let me give you another example here. You go to your friend's place, eat something nice. You'll thank her and say, give me the recipe. Are you just happy with the recipe? No, you want to come back home and cook. So what are you doing? You're applying the knowledge of recipe in the process of cooking. And once you cook and taste the food, it becomes yours. You have internalized the knowledge. So next time when you want to cook the same dish, you don't even open the recipe book because you have already applied it. Unfortunately, we have learned many math concepts without knowing its real-time application, because of which there's a disconnect. As an educationalist, it's most important that our children apply the math concept they learn in the real-time situation so that the learning gets completed. Keep tuned in to see my next video. Signing off, Jay, your math friend.
Hey guys, welcome to our 6th episode. We thank you guys for such an overwhelming response. We've gotten so many messages about our content and our young mathematicians. So today we have another young mathematician, Sahasra. So Sahasra, how are you today? And welcome to our studio.
I'm good, Isha. Thank you for inviting me.
So, what do you plan on showing us today?
I'll be showing you the concept of extensity.
Extensity?
3D figures, perspectives on 2D planes. This is an arrangement of cubes on one another. Now, can you count and tell me how many cubes there are?
I really don't know.
Well, you count them like this. This is 1 cube, and this is 3 cubes. 2 in the front and 1 in the back.
Wow.
For example, if this yellow cube wasn't underneath, this green cube couldn't be able to stay up. Let's start counting. For the first one, there's 1 cube. In the second row, there's 3 cubes, 1 in the back and 2 in the front. In the third row, there are 6 cubes, 3 in the back and 3 in the front. In the fourth row, there's 10 cubes, 6 in the back and 4 in the front. And in the fifth row, there's 15, 10 in the back and 5 in the front. Therefore, there are 35 cubes in this arrangement. We learn many such concepts in IMATS.
Wow, that's really cool. So, I'm going to guess based on this that you want to be an architect when you want to grow up?
I enjoyed speaking with you and the viewers of Channel N.
Thank you. Extensity is such a cool and interesting concept. Stay tuned to our next episode where we learn many more interesting concepts such as this one. This is Isha Patel, signing off. Did you know? The Google search engine is a term which was derived from the word Google, which is the mathematical term for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, which reflects infinite amount of searches on the internet. To keep you updated with our new programs and services and to subscribe to our email list, click on the link below to fill out an easy form. And make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to Channel N.